there, don't press the button, but I have 5 lives. If I lose all those 5 lives, then I have to end the video. Okay. So let's do that. No, they're mine. They're all mine. You don't get any. Who gets that? Ew, you're fighting. Okay, that doesn't count. I didn't even touch it. What? What? That doesn't count. I didn't even touch it. That doesn't make sense.
I'm a fire in
No. I'm a banana. I know where the button is. It's like over here. What? Yay! Hey there! Hey there! The button was over here. Ooh, good spot. I thought that was over there. Checked. Oh no! Oh no! That guy was partying. Give me. Oh, let's jump! Oh! Look, I have a weapon. What? Wait, did I just? Like. Oh, look at! Ew, I'm not gonna touch that. The 40 guy. He can go like this. What? Hey, see. Ew! Look at that girl farted! Ew! Yeah, make her fall. No, make her fall. Oh yeah! Oh, look at that table. Oh, it's mine. It's mine. Hey there. Died. No! This is where I'm gonna die. Wait. I died once, right? Yeah. I said it didn't count, but I changed it, so it does count. Yeah, I got it. No, you didn't. It cost oof. No, look at that girl. She froze. What happened to her? Oh no, I gotta die here. This is where I die. Die. Yes, I won! I'm the champion! I'm the sword champion! Yeah. I know. Teddy! Hey there! Hey there! You can't trust anyone! Oh my god, I almost fell! You can't trust anyone. No! Oh! No, please don't make me fall, babe! No! Die, hey there! What the guys? Please don't kill me. Even though you want to. Get me. Oh no, no, no. Okay, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. I dodged the lasers and it killed me. Okay, that doesn't count though.
I like trains.
I only died once. No, I died twice. I have 3 more lives. Oh, no, no, no. Push it! Push it! Push it! No, no, you push it. Yep. I'm so close. Okay, oop. Don't. I was so close to dying. And that was a good target. If someone was gonna kill me. I'm gonna get that person off. Karen! Die, Karen! No, don't let me die here. I don't want to die. You're gonna do it. I did it. I'm gonna go in. I'm 3 more lives. I'm not gonna die. Because I know I always die. Yep. Goodbye, world. I'm gonna die now. No. No. Yeah, I have 2 more lives. I could have just gave up on that, but I didn't want to. Because I don't want to end the video yet. I have 2 more lives. I don't know how to end it, okay? Oh, yeah. Ooh. Hi. Hi. How did I fall? Boom! So many people at once. I have 1 more life! Oh my goodness! I can do it. Come on, I can do it. I'm wrong, right? Yep. So, bye everyone. Wow, I survived for 7